Every day, millions of devices are thrown away. Phones, tablets, computers, technology that many people believe is completely dead. But what almost nobody sees is that inside this electronic waste, there is a lot of hidden money. Today, I have a challenge. I'm going to try to generate a full day's salary in less than 15 minutes. I started in a small room, without a big lab, without expensive tools, and without being an expert, just knowledge and an opportunity. And if this works, imagine multiplying it by 10. Today, we're in this lab. So today, we go hunting. What for many people is electronic trash, for a technician can be an opportunity. Today, I'm going to show you that anyone can make money repairing technology, even without a lot of experience. You'll learn how you can generate a full day's income in less than 15 minutes. And the best part, this is only level 1. Can you imagine multiplying this work? Behind me, there are hundreds of devices that customers decided not to repair. Some because the price seemed too high. Others because they thought it was no longer worth it. For most people, this is electronic waste. For a technician, this is where the opportunities begin. But there's a problem. Not all devices are profitable. Some are completely dead. We need to find one that still has life. There are many phones here, but this tablet catches my attention. I put on my gloves, and let's get to work. It's in pretty bad condition. The screen is completely broken, and this can mean two things. Either it's quick money or wasted time. In repair, there's a golden rule. A broken screen does not mean the motherboard is damaged. Before buying spare parts, we need to check if the heart of the device is still working. Let's see. There it is. We have an image. That line of colors means something very important. The motherboard is sending signal correctly. We also check charging, and it's stable. This completely changes the situation. Now, things are getting interesting. Let's remove the screen. We use ultra-thin 0.60 millimeters guitar picks. You can buy them in any music store. It's an easy process because the screen is already broken, so there's no risk while removing it. We reach the motherboard. We use a simple Phillips screwdriver. Don't worry, even a cheap €2 tool will work. We use professional tools because of the volume of work. The first step is always the same. Disconnect the battery. This prevents short circuits on the motherboard. Then, we disconnect the screen, always using plastic tools. But here comes something important. We still don't know if it's worth it. If the tablet has low value, even if it works, we may have wasted time. We'll check later. While I clean the table, my colleague goes to get a new screen from a nearby supplier. If you are starting in this niche, you can buy spare parts on AliExpress, Amazon, or any online store in your country. You won't have it in 10 minutes like us, but that's fine. There's no rush. Here we have the screen. We just need to move this flex cable from the broken screen to the new one. It's so simple, even an 8-year-old could do it. First, we connect the display. The battery always goes last. Before closing the device, we test everything: colors, touch, charging. Everything perfect. The tablet is back to life. But the most important thing is not that it works. The important thing is how much money we can generate. It also has a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. Let's check it on Amazon. This alone is worth about 25 euros. In the end, everything adds up. Let's see how much this tablet is worth. There's a price of 100 euros in a second-hand store, 148 euros on Back Market, which seems too high, but we want to sell fast. On Wallapop Spain, we see prices around 70 to 80 euros, which seems reasonable. Our tablet is the highest version of this model, with more RAM and more internal storage. Plus, we have the micro SD card, which gives us an advantage over other sellers. We could sell it quickly for 75 to 80 euros. Let's say you buy the screen on AliExpress for 25 euros. We have a real profit of 50 to 55 euros in less than 15 minutes. It may not seem like much, but imagine doing this with 4 or 5 devices a day. Now imagine doing it with high-end phones worth 400 or 500 euros. That's where this process can change your economy. Today, technology is designed to be replaced, not repaired. 30 years ago, a radio or music system could last decades, and that's where we come in. Technicians, to give devices a second life. What looked like electronic waste, today has turned into money. Now we're going to factory reset the tablet. The good thing about these devices is that almost everyone protects them with a pattern or passcode. And as far as I know, getting inside with that protection is almost mission impossible, unless you have a cousin working at the FBI or a brother-in-law secretly infiltrated in the CIA. If you like this challenge, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because in the next video we're going to try something much bigger. See you in the next one.